Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Jeeps 76 to 86 CJ. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. With a 1/2-inch socket, remove the 8 bolts and bushings securing your skid plate to the frame rails. Step 4. Hold the part up to the frame, using the frame and bracket holes as alignment reference points, and take note of its area of coverage. Begin cutting and cleaning away any rust and debris, while leaving enough frame behind to weld back onto. Step 5. Push the part onto the frame and secure it with C-clamps and tack welds. Ensure there are no fire hazards in the area and begin welding it to the frame. Step 6. Reinstall your skid plate with the included nuts and bolts. And you're done.